UTV Audio Review. Rockford Fosgate X317-STG6 Audio Kit. Real trail results. Ever tried blasting music in your Can-Am X3 only to hear wind and engine noise swallow it whole? I remember a dune ride where my playlist disappeared the second we hit 50 miles per hour. All I got was distortion and vibration. If your UTV sounds weak on the trail, you know that frustration. What kind of riding do you usually do? That constant roar creates real tension in your chest. You crank the volume, hoping it cuts through, but the speakers strain and the bass vanishes. I tried swapping random components, tweaking settings, even adding small amps. Nothing felt balanced. What you really want is clean projection, deep impact, and control that actually works outdoors. Don't just pick any UTV audio kit. Make sure it has a true vehicle-specific plug-and-play design with 1,500 watts of clean power, so you never suffer weak sound drowned by wind noise again. That realization led me to the Rockford Fosgate X317-STG6 audio kit. This system is engineered specifically for the 2017 to 2021 Can-Am Maverick X3, and that matters. The PMX3 weatherproof receiver gives you Bluetooth streaming with a sunlight-readable display and true two-zone control, so front and rear speakers can be adjusted independently. The 1,500-watt element-ready amplifier delivers clean headroom that pushes the M2 Color Optics horn speakers forward down the trail, instead of letting sound scatter. Dual 10-inch subwoofers in custom enclosures add deep, controlled low end without sacrificing passenger space. Here is what surprised me. A friend finishing a late garage install before a weekend ride powered it up, paired his phone instantly, and the sound projected clearly across camp. No rattles, no guesswork, just confident, outdoor-ready performance. After a few rides, the upgrade feels less like an accessory and more like part of the machine. A professional off-road audio installer described the X317-STG6 as a masterclass in vehicle-specific engineering, praising the exact fit brackets and sealed connectors that eliminate wiring headaches. An off-road content creator noted that even at high speeds into a headwind, the horn-loaded M2 speakers remained clear and forceful. From an industry standpoint, bundling the PMX3 receiver, 1,500-watt amplifier, dual subs, and RGB lighting into one integrated kit reduces impedance mismatches and underpowered builds. On real trails, riders report hearing music clearly at 60 miles per hour, with bass that you can actually feel through the seat. The Color Optics lighting is not just cosmetic either. It adds visibility and personality during night rides. Now, it is a premium kit and adds noticeable weight, roughly around the 100-pound shipping range. Installation can take a full weekend if you were doing it yourself, but there is no cutting or drilling required and everything is pre-engineered to fit. Imagine heading into your next ride knowing your audio will keep up with the terrain. If you want a UTV audio review-backed system that truly transforms your ride, the Rockford Fosgate X317-STG6 audio kit delivers powerful, trail-ready results. Thousands of off-road enthusiasts trust Rockford Fosgate for durable, element-ready performance in extreme conditions. You will find my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment, and I may earn a small commission if you choose it, at no extra cost to you. Check compatibility with your Maverick X3, take your time, and ride loud.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.